This is a very quick video showing the installation of these running boards on a 2020 Silverado. This is a double cab TrailBoss, but it shouldn't matter. And they look really good. We're gonna follow this line, and we're gonna go on the first, on the third, on the fourth, and on the last one. And you just gotta remove these plastic plugs, and then the bracket will go just like that. Okay, so I got the first one mounted in. Once you put all the bracket in, you just bolt it on the bottom. That's how it looks on the inside. Pretty easy installation.